Hello students, this is Sadhna Mishra, your computer teacher from Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi, and today we are going to start our chapter number 3, Storage Devices, from your book Computer Masti. Children, have you ever wondered how computer remembers so many things? Just as our brain stores all the memories and other information? The computer stores games, songs, pictures, etc. in the storage devices. Now let's understand what are storage devices. Storage devices are used to store information on the computer that we might need to use again in the future. Computer storage devices can be classified as primary storage devices and secondary storage devices. All the files are saved in the secondary storage device of the computer. When you click an icon on the desktop, the CPU searches for the relevant files in the secondary storage device and copies the file in the primary storage device to use. The primary storage devices. The primary storage devices are situated very close to the CPU. So time taken by the CPU to access information to perform a task is very less as compared to the time taken to access information from the secondary storage device. The size of primary storage device is very small as compared to the size of the secondary storage device. Now here you can see two pictures. One is of RAM. RAM is the primary storage device inside the computer where the information is stored temporarily for quick access by the CPU. Next picture is hard disk. Hard disk is the secondary storage device inside the computer that can permanently store a large amount of information on the computer. Children, you can transfer the songs from this computer to your computer at your home using a pen drive or a CD or a DVD. These devices can be attached to a computer whenever required and are called external secondary storage devices, or simply we can say external storage devices. Let's learn more about these devices. Number one is compact disc. The compact disc is a kind of storage device popularly known as CD. It is a circular shaped flat piece of plastic and has a shiny surface on one side. We can store songs, pictures, games, and many more things on it. Second is digital versatile disc or DVD. It is a storage device that looks like a CD but can store 6 times more songs than a CD in it. Third, pen drive. The pen drive is the latest storage device that is incredibly easy to carry because of its size. It allows you to store and transfer our favorite movies, songs, pictures, etc. to and from a computer quickly. Now children, let's have a quick recap of storage devices. Storage devices, there are two types of storage devices. One is of primary storage, or we can say it main memory. Other one is secondary storage device. Secondary storage devices is also having two types. One is hard disk, other one is external storage device. External storage device can be compact disc, CD, digital versatile disc, DVD, and pen drive. So children, I hope you all understood about storage devices. In the next lecture, we will do more. Till then, bye bye.